Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these chocolate ganache tarts. Let's begin. To start, you'll want to make your pastry. I already have a blog post and video on this, so I'll leave that link in the blog post down below. So once you've got your pastry made and it's chilled for around about an hour, you can take it from the fridge and place onto a floured surface. Then just sprinkle a little more flour on top of the dough and just roll it out until it's around the same thickness as a pound coin. Once you've got your dough rolled out, you can then cut it into 4 roughly equal pieces, and then just take a piece and place it into your tart tin, and just press it in until it's in all of the crevices, and then trim away the excess, and repeat this for all 4 of your pastry cases. Don't throw away the excess pastry, you can always re-roll it and freeze it, or use it for some more tarts. You can then go ahead and prick the base of the pastry cases just so they don't rise while they're baking. Once you've pricked the base of the pastry case, you can then fill the case with some parchment paper, which has been scrumpled up, and then fill it with baking beans. This is just to help the pastry case bake better, and you'll want to repeat this process for all 4 of your tarts. So once your tarts have had the blind bake, you can remove them from the oven, and then remove the parchment paper with the baking beans from all of the tart cases, and if any beans do spill out, just take them out, don't leave them in there to bake. Then place back in the oven and bake them off. To make the ganache, you'll want to place all of the ingredients except for the chocolate into a saucepan and then place on the hob over a medium-high heat, giving it a stir but allowing it to almost reach a boil. Once it almost reaches a boil, you can remove it from the heat and then pour it over your chocolate and allow it to sit for around 1 minute to 2 minutes, and then just stir it all together. When you stir the two together, the emulsification process happens, and that's what results in a smooth and glossy ganache. You'll just want to keep stirring it all together until the ganache is smooth and you can't see a single trace of any other ingredient. Just before you go ahead and pour the ganache into the pastry cases, you'll want to add in some butter. This will melt in very easily as the mixture should still be warm. Just mix that in and it'll take a couple of minutes, but once it's done, it's perfect and the ganache is the perfect consistency for these tarts. So here are the pastry cases that are fully baked and cooled. So then you can just pour in your ganache filling, and you'll want to fill them all roughly the same. So you may want to weigh it out properly, but feel free to just eyeball it like I have, and it does turn out pretty well. Then you can just smooth and level out the ganache as best as you possibly can, and then once you're done with them, you can place them into the fridge to firm up. Then these tarts are good to go. You can serve them straight away and enjoy them. You can serve them with some fruit, some cream, some ice cream, whichever works best for you. But really, they're very versatile and you can serve them with whatever you'd like. So whether you're making up or breaking up, these chocolate ganache tarts are the perfect recipe to make. Whether you're alone or with somebody, who cares? Enjoy some chocolate, and here is what the tart look like. You've got the pastry case and then the chocolate ganache filling. It's perfect. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with some more recipes for you, so join me then. So in the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.